Hi students, it's me your GC teacher. I'm going to teach you computer. Okay, before that, are you fine? Okay, so before going to our this year chapter, now you are in third standard, is it? So before going to our this year chapter, we need a small revision based on the last year chapters, computer chapters. So in the last year, second standard, we studied the definition of computer, or what are the various parts of computer, or what are the programs, basic programs inside a computer. So first we can go through the definition of computer. So can you say what is the definition of computer? Yes, computer is an electronic device, or we can say computer is an electronic machine. So why it is called as an electronic device? Yes, it is working with the electricity. So we know that in our home also we have different electronic machines. For example, fan, television, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. All these devices are working with the electricity. Like all these devices, computer is also working with the electricity. That is why it is called an electronic machine. Next, we need to know about the parts of computer, is it? So that also we already studied. Computer have different parts, various parts are there. So some parts are used to give the data to the computer or input data to the computer, and some are used to get the data from the computer. So based on these two, we can divide the computer parts into two types. What are they? That also we studied. Input devices and output devices. So first one, all these are revision part, okay? All these are revision part. It is from your last year chapters. So first one, we need to know about input devices. So we already studied that, the definition of input also, is it? So what is the definition of input, or what is input? The data we given to the computer is called input. So to give the data to the computer, we need some devices, we need some parts of computer. So that parts or devices are called input devices. നമുക്ക് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലോട്ട് ഡേറ്റ കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് പാർട്സ് മാത്രമേ ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ആ പാർട്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇൻപുട്ട് ഡിവൈസസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Understand? Next, output devices. So after giving the data to the input devices or through the input devices, we will get the data through output device. So first of all, we know that which is the part of computer we use to see the output. നമ്മൾ റിസൾട്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ കാണുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഏത് പാർട്സിൽ കൂടിയാണ്, ഏത് പാർട്ടിൽ കൂടിയാണ്? We know that monitor, അല്ലേ? So monitor is an output device. Like monitor, there are some other devices with computer that are used to get the output. So all those devices are called output devices. So after that, we studied about some of the input devices. For example, we studied about keyboard in a chapter. We studied about mouse in a chapter, is it? So what about keyboard? So keyboard, we know that different buttons are there. So many buttons are there. So these buttons are also called keys. You studied, no? Do you remember that? Okay. So all these buttons are called keys. So various types of keys are there, is it? What are they? Can you say? Alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, then some special keys, etc. Is it? So alphabet keys, we know that some keys are marked with the letters A to Z. All these keys are called alphabet keys. And some keys are marked with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And that keys are called number keys. Then some function keys are there, that also we studied from F1 to F11. F1 to F12. 12 function keys are there, is it? So that is also there. Then special keys, we know that enter key, delete key, space bar key, shift key, caps lock key, is it? You remember that, all those keys. Okay. So all these keys are called special keys. Is it? So that chapter we studied about different keys. And in the next chapter, the last year, next chapter we studied about mouse. And mouse is also an input device. So what is the use of mouse? Can you say? Yes, it is used to point something. Is it point some icons or program something? So in a mouse, we studied about the features of mouse also. Mouse has two buttons, left button and a right button. In the middle of these two, we have a scroll button also. Is it? So by using this mouse, we can point something. Is it? So by this, we are winding up this session. So hope you all understand this session. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.